Hello and welcome back to all my lovely people looking to move to Dallas, Texas. Today I have a great apartment tour for you guys. Look at this balcony. It is overlooking the entire city of Dallas. This balcony is the biggest I've seen in the entire city. I can't remember the exact square footage, but just a view from the inside on this top floor bedroom is just crazy. By the way, this is the 1-bedroom penthouse. There's also another 2-bedroom penthouse that I'm going to be showing you later on in this video. But can we appreciate this view? I mean, where else are you going to find this? This space is fantastic if you are a content creator because you won't have anybody getting in the way. You'll have all this space. You can set up so many different things, all these backgrounds, and then you're overlooking the entire city. Here is another separate entrance to come in and take a look at this beautiful bathroom. I love the tub right in the center. You have a sink on this side as well as one on the other side. Check out those sconces right next to this big old mirror. And then we come around to the other side, 2 sinks. And the shower is very large as well. We love it. Bathrooms in here with that overhead storage. And even more storage right next to the shower. Just in case you guys were wondering, these are going to start right around $10,000 per month, although right now they are doing $2,000 off the first month. I may be able to get you guys other specials. Just if you want to stay updated, make sure you reach out to me. I have my number linked below. If you didn't get enough of the city view upstairs, we also have this expansive balcony downstairs, but you know, it's nothing compared to what we just saw. A little sneak peek of the kitchen because there were other locators there also. We were invited to a private event to show these penthouses, so very exclusive tour for you guys. This is the second penthouse. This one is 2 bedrooms. There's a full-size washer and dryer in both of them. This one has a little bit more space downstairs and upstairs, of course, since there are 2 bedrooms. The kitchen is also larger but very similar with the finishes and built-in everything, Thermador appliances. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the music for the rest of the video and then I'll put my information up. So if you're looking to move to Dallas, whether you're looking tomorrow or 3 months out, give me a call or shoot me a text.